Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, an error has occurred in the script on this page in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult to do. Here's what you have to do. So open the browser in which you encounter this problem. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select help and feedback and click on about Microsoft Edge or Chrome. It is similar for Chrome. Then click on these three dots once again. Go to the extensions tab. Okay, click on manage extensions. If you have any extension here, then you have to remove it. Let me add an extension and show you about problematic extensions and how they impact. Okay, let us say that it was added here. Okay, so all you have to do on the extensions page is first try to disable it. If it helps, then just remove it. Okay, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on this bin symbol, select time range as all time, click on clear now. Done. The next one will be as follows. Click these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings. Go to the reset settings tab on the list on the left hand side. Restore settings to their default value. Select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.